Long-legged fly. Fun facts. Here are some fun fact stories about Condylostylus occidentalis, a species of long-legged fly. One, the Shimmering Acrobat. Imagine a tiny insect dressed in metallic green, darting through the air like a miniature superhero. That's Condylostylus occidentalis. These flies have iridescent bodies that reflect light, making them look like living jewels. But don't be fooled by their beauty, they are skilled hunters, preying on tiny insects like aphids and mites. 2. The silent garden protector. While gardeners struggle with pests, Condylostylus occidentalis works behind the scenes. These flies are natural pest controllers, feeding on harmful insects that damage plants. They don't need pesticides, they just zip around, catching prey with lightning-fast reflexes. Next time you see a shimmering fly in your garden, it might be your tiny guardian at work. 3. The dance of the tufted feet. Male Condylostylus occidentalis have a unique courtship ritual, they dance. With tufts of hair on their feet, they perform graceful movements to impress females. If the female approves, she joins the dance, and the pair begins their journey to create the next generation of dazzling flies. Who knew romance existed in the insect world? 4. The speedster of the leaves. These flies are so fast that even photographers struggle to capture them. They dart from leaf to leaf, disappearing in the blink of an eye. Their long legs help them balance and maneuver with precision, making them one of the quickest insects in their environment. If you ever spot one, consider yourself lucky,